Have you ever thought of making money while listening to music? Yes, you heard it right. If you listen to one music, you get $7, and if you listen to 10 music, then you get $70, and so on. Here are the proofs. I have earned around $400 in less than a week. Watch this video completely. Without any further delay, let's proceed ahead. Open up your browser and enter into this website called pixabay.com. Here you will find tons of music that are royalty-free and can also be used for commercial purposes. Just click on this music tab, and here you will find all the available music. You can select the music which you like, and you can download it. After downloading, go to this website called Up Forever. This is a special site which pays you $7 for each music. I will let you know in detail about it in a moment. First, you need to sign up on this website. You will need to provide your username, password, email address, and complete the CAPTCHA. This is the user's dashboard, and I have created a fresh account to show you guys from scratch. Click on the Make Money tab and you will get to know about this website. This website basically pays you whenever a user downloads some contents from your link. I have chosen non-copyrighted music, since many people don't find their desired songs and also because most of them don't know about Pixabay. You can grab this opportunity and make money through it. The payout system is super simple. You can use PayPal, Payer, Bitcoin, etc. The minimum payout for PayPal is only $1. On that note, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's see how to earn from this website. Go to the user's dashboard. Here you will find an option called Upload Files. Click on it. Click on the button called Choose File. Then you need to select the music that you have downloaded from Pixabay. Once you select that, then click on the Upload option, and it will be uploaded according to your internet connection speed. Boom, guys! Now you can start earning money from your music. You just need to copy the link of this file, and you are good to go. Now it totally depends on you how you drive traffic to your link. It can be WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, using Twitter with hashtags, uploading videos on YouTube and providing the link in the description, and so on. I have listed multiple methods, but here I am going to create a web page for my links. I have used a website called sites.google.com to create a web page and drive traffic to it. You can also create a simple web page. You don't need any tutorial for that. At last, you can give a suitable domain name and publish it. If you want to drive free traffic to your website without doing anything, then watch this video to the end. Before that, I would like to show you my old account, in which I have earned more than $500. As you can see, I have $163 left in my balance, and I will also show you my payment history. Here I got two payments recently. One is of $193, and the other is of $206. I used this website a long time ago but started working seriously a week ago. This is the true potentiality of this website, and if you really work hard and drive traffic to your downloads, then you can earn more than $500 a day. I have seen many who earn $3,000 to $4,000 a week. Hope you guys would have learned from this video. A like would be appreciated, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you want to drive free traffic to your website, click the video on the left. If you want to earn money by refreshing Google page, then click the video on the right.